Hello, international students. Let me ask you a question. What, according to you, is the best time to start preparing for your career? The right answer is, as soon as you land in the UK. But do you know why? It's because your career needs are unique, and that includes learning about the UK job market, cultural adaptation, and work visas. But you are working against the clock, and you are on a deadline. But don't worry, you are not alone. Your university offers all the support you can get, like Student Circus. With us, you'll get access to a visa-sponsored jobs board with 1,000+ UK opportunities. And the job board also includes internships and placements. Plus, our immigration guide, crafted by Pennington's Manchus Cooper, answers all your visa questions. You also have access to Career Ignition Hub, an e-learning course designed to help you launch your career in the UK. Then you can read blogs about the UK job market. And you have access to the Job Seekers Toolkit with a CV builder. You can also explore jobs and internships in your home country. Then you get access to Country Career Guides, a travel guidebook for your professional career journey. But how can you access these resources? Go on your browser and search for the URL shown on the screen. Then click on I am a student and click on Next. On the Sign Up page, enter your details and click on Sign Up. After clicking on Sign Up, go to your inbox for the one-time passcode. After successfully verifying your account, set up your account by completing the form by filling in all the necessary details and click on Next. Then select your sectors and click on the Submit button. After submitting, you will find your dashboard ready.
Now that you know what Student Circus does and how it can help you, let me give you one tip before we finish about finding a job in the UK. The insider tip, but it is about networking. The power of networking that will help you find a job in the UK. So make sure as soon as you land, you will have a lot of events, career fairs. Prepare an elevator pitch for yourself. What is an elevator pitch? 30 seconds introduction on who you are, what you want to do, or what are the things that you're trying to explore. Be an expert networker, and that's what will help you the most in getting the job in the UK. So with that, we're excited to welcome you on campus. We look forward to meeting you, and your potential, which is truly limitless. You will be able to do wonders when you're here. At Student Circus, we're deeply committed to making sure that you succeed. So connect with us, sign up on Student Circus. Let us know if there's anything else that we can do for you.